today's video, I will show you how to use the Mku Visual Learning Management System VLMS from login to accessing your courses, learning materials, online classes, and cards. Open your browser and visit the Mku VLMS website. Click on Login and enter your username and password. If you receive an invalid login message, check your credentials and try again. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can view notifications, messages, upcoming activities, and your academic timeline. Click the message icon to view private messages from lecturers and fellow students. Always check your message regularly because important academic updates may be sent there. Scroll down to see all the registered courses. Click View Course to open any course unit. Inside the course, you will find resources such as courses outlines, PDF notes, PowerPoint presentations, and other learning materials. Click any file to download or view it. Look for the Teams class link section. Open the provided Microsoft Teams link to join live online lectures. Always check the date and time of your online classes. Navigate to the card section. Open the available card or quiz and note the opening and closing dates. Submit your answers before the deadline. Use the grade section to view your marks. You can also access reports and monitor your overall progress throughout the semester. The Mku VLMS Portal allows students to access learning materials, communicate with lecturers, attend online classes, complete cards, and monitor academic progress from anywhere. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate the platform easily. If you found this quite helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Mku students. Thank you for watching.